Hey there, LEGO and Disney fans! Dive into a world of creativity and imagination with the LEGO Disney Stitch Toy Building Kit, perfect for kids aged 9 and up who love the hit movie Lilo and Stitch. This delightful set features a buildable Stitch figure, complete with a charming ice cream cone and a decorative flower, allowing for endless fun as you move his ears and head to create new expressions. With its moving parts, including ears that can be positioned up or down and a head that turns, this set offers a dynamic play experience that kids will love. Stitch is ready to be dressed in his Hawaiian shirt and displayed proudly, making it a fantastic gift for both boys and girls who adore Disney magic. Plus, the LEGO Builder app enhances the building adventure, guiding kids with intuitive instructions and 3D model views to track progress and save sets. Not only does this set provide hours of entertainment, but it also helps develop important life skills through engaging play and creative construction. So, whether it's for school or home, this LEGO Disney Stitch set is sure to be a hit with young builders and movie lovers alike. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.